I'm Sean Fry, Service Drive Team Leader in Thomas, Cumberland. Our factory-trained technicians are excited to provide you with exceptional service in a timely manner. From oil changes to transmission replacements, we provide you with the best customer service possible with competitive upfront pricing. When you arrive for your scheduled service appointment, simply park in front of our service drive or in customer parking to the right of the dealership. If you're here for express service, use the parking spaces directly in front of our express service. Then head inside to find our team of service advisors. At Thomas, we service all makes and models. Our dedicated service team will get you back on the road safely and quickly as possible. If you stop in for a minor service, there is no need to schedule ahead of time. At Thomas, we're dedicated to putting your safety first, which is why we include a free multi-point inspection with every service. For your convenience, we offer loaner vehicles for many services. If you'll be waiting with us during your service, we provide extra touches like a coffee bar, free Wi-Fi, cable TV, and more for your comfort. Come to Thomas Cumberland for all of your service needs and experience a TC difference for yourself.